everyone, hi everybody, hello world. And if you're guys new to my channel, so it's me, Audrey Oh, and you can also find me on Facebook, it's also Audrey Oh, and on my Instagram account, it's Audrey Oh 90. Indonesia. Wow, look at that one. Wow, I love. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. So nice creature, guys. Oh, wow. Look at those kids,
kami sudah di
guys.
hutan kita. Kenapa kita datang seperti ini?
Oh, is that
supaya
mango?
kalian
Wow.
tahu ke depan
Oh,
kita.
I really miss mango. I love mango. I'm from Philippines, guys. If you didn't know that, and we all Filipino love mangoes. Wow, look at that bird. It's green, yellow, brown, and wow. Oh my gosh. That's so beautiful. Oh. They have like two tails or something. Wow, that's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Wow, magnificent. Wow, magnificent ripple bird. Wow. Is that true? This is from Indonesia? Wow, that's so nice. Oh my gosh, I would like to go there to see those kind of... Oh! I see that bird! On the movie! I see that bird on the movie! I love it! Movie or... Anyway, oh my gosh, I seen that one! Wow!
Indonesia's land of Papua, Tanah Papua.
Papua.
Consisting of two provinces, Papua
Wow.
supports one of the
Tropical
only remaining
forest.
large tropical forests in the
Remaining
world.
large tropical forests of the world.
With the
Wow.
Amazon and Congo basins, these forests
Wow, that's
serve
so
as the lungs of the
beautiful.
planet. And in Papua, they are the lifeblood of the people.
Oh, I feel so peaceful in
Dan yang
this kind
terutama,
of place.
Yang membuat saya sangat terkesan itu karena hutan di Papua itu memberi banyak kehidupan untuk masyarakat di Papua. Jadi sumber kehidupan mereka itu sebetulnya di hutan.
Wow, oh my gosh.
Papua's
It's
geography
so nice.
contains a variety of ecosystems,
Oh,
coasts, mangroves,
it's like Avatar.
forests,
So
and
look at those
mountains
forests.
that supports roughly
Oh,
half of Indonesia's
it's
biodiversity.
Wow, that bird.
Over 600 species of birds are found in Papua, including the birds of paradise, many of which live nowhere else on Earth.
Dan untuk saya
Color of
di
the birds
Papua,
is
apalagi cendrawasih itu
all
sangat
different.
luar biasa, sangat unik, sangat cantik.
From so colorful
Nggak bisa dilupakan.
and from pure black.
The birds of paradise are icons of
Wow.
Papua's biodiversity. Their unparalleled beauty
Wow,
has
this
made
is
them
so
a symbol
beautiful. I
of
can imagine
international
that
renown.
there's kind of like this.
Burung yang
Bird
itu
watching.
boleh dorang
Wow.
selalu suka untuk cari-cari di
Seriously?
dekat kampung.
Kita dengar ini suara toh. Kita dengar suara
Wow.
kalau kita jalan pagi dengar suara langsung. Kita jalan pasti apa suara itu baru.
You know, guys, from king cobras and then now
Global interest in
what
Papua's
paradise
bird
birds.
life
Oh my
is
gosh,
leading to increased
Indonesia.
opportunity for
So
wildlife
amazing,
tourism,
so paradise.
bringing newfound economic
Wow.
benefits to local communities.
Burung-burung
Looks
yang
like-
seperti
oh,
kakatua
kakadu.
raja, kakatua putih, rangkong.
Magnificent yang
Magnificent.
main di sini, main di tanah.
Wow.
Kita jalan lagi ketemu ini parot.
I really love that
Tempatnya
bird,
main
guys.
parot ya.
I hope I can make reaction video about only that kind of bird, that black one. I really admire that one.
Burung yang tidak akan panggil khusus yang malam itu Papua frogmouth.
Ooh. forest. Having goosebumps. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Provides the air we breathe and wow.
But
I really
these
hope
forests
me and my
are no
family
longer
can go to
isolated from the
Indonesia
rest of the world.
someday and wow.
The demand for timber, palm oil, minerals, and gas has arrived.
The tropical weather.
The future
and
existence of Papua's resources and biodiversity and the communities that rely on them depend on the choices made today.
wow, that's so tick free. Ooh. Wow. Wow, that greeny.
The governments of Papua and West Papua are bringing together non-government, community, academic, and religious partners to create a sustainable pathway for development.
Wow.
Adik-adik yang kecil bilang, jangan potong ini, jangan tebang kayu itu karena guna untuk burung untuk bawa uang.
You know what? Compared to Korea,
There are plenty
Korea
of
is so
examples of
busy.
ecosystems
We are,
destroyed by
so busy sitting
overexploitation.
here, but in
With its
Indonesia,
forests
they seem
still
to be
intact,
relaxed and
Papua has the opportunity
being happy
to develop in a way that allows both its
with-
people
with their
and its environment
and
to thrive.
Keindahan yang
Really,
di
guys.
Raja Ampat khususnya di Saproren itu sangat indah sekali.
Wow.
Recent successes in the marine environments of the Raja
So
Ampat
clean.
region of West Papua show
Oh my
that
gosh.
development and
I wanna go
conservation
diving.
can go hand in
Oh, I
hand.
miss diving, guys.
Within the forests, local leaders are organizing their communities with similar goals.
Wow.
Jadi yang guna untuk kita ada 3 hal yang lebih penting untuk kita.
Punya kampung.
Wow. Look at
The
that.
forests,
Oh, look at
birds,
that bird.
and the communities make this region unique and irreplaceable.
Yeah, irreplaceable.
Kalau hutan di Papua
Oh
harus
no.
hancur, masyarakat di Papua itu sudah tidak punya apa-apa lagi. Jadi kehidupan mereka dan harta mereka itu adalah di hutan.
As the lungs of the planet, tropical forests are an important buffer against our changing climate. If
The
Papua's
trees are
ecosystems
unique.
are degraded, the effects will be felt not just locally, but across the world.
Arfa gini
Or
berguna sekali
Arfa
untuk masa depan.
forest.
Through collaborative leadership, achieving sustainable growth, maintaining the livelihood of local communities,
Wow,
and
black
protecting
and
globally
blue.
significant
With blue
biodiversity
eyes.
are possible
Yeah.
for TANAH Papua and
Oh.
all of humanity.
Oh my gosh, I'm having goosebumps seeing this.
Alam Papua sangat-sangat indah. Jadi saya minta kepada masyarakat Papua
my
umumnya,
goodness.
mari
So beautiful.
kita jaga negeri kita yang indah ini. Sehingga ke depan anak cucu kita akan menikmati apa yang kita rasakan hari ini
Wow.
dan seterusnya.
I wish I could go to
Mari
Indonesia, guys.
kita mendukung konservasi yang ada di
Conversation in
Papua umumnya.
Papua. So that's it for today, guys, and I really hope that you liked my reaction video. I'm actually kind of speechless with this one, and oh my gosh, I'm really having a goosebump. So that's it for today, and please don't forget to share this video, like this one, and also please guys don't forget to subscribe. Please, I'm almost there, and we can make it more, guys. Let's be friends. Comment down below if you have any suggestion, and if you want something that want me to make a reaction, so please comment down below. And yeah, so that's it for today, guys, and terima kasih. Bye.